think what I need is some more knowledge. Knowledge of hydraulics. The pull function is supposed to bring the hook right back to the cab, and when you press the button, oh, it works. Look at that. Look at that. Well, will you look at that? Now it works. Always the way. But what's happening is that it doesn't work, and then I gotta determined after a trip to local heavy-duty mechanic shop that this little black relay has to be wiggled. Whoop, press the wrong button. Put that back. Yeah, so I can move these wires. Yeah, so whether it's just the relay and the pins from the relay going into the board that don't jive correctly, or maybe it's the board itself is something wrong with it, I don't know. Anyway, I got an email into the dealer for Multilift and see what it might be and what the parts might cost. But yeah, funny thing, it works now. But that's the issue that we were having from the other day. Yeah. Of course, now when I go to really use this, it probably won't work. But at least now we can mess with it to get it to load the bin on the truck. Oh, and by the way, the customer who canceled that order because we couldn't deliver it, after we restacked the wood in the pallets and put them out back, she called, reached out to us and said that she still wanted the wood. That's how it goes. So now we gotta dump the wood back in and do a delivery tomorrow. So yeah, that's how this day is going. Hope your day is a little better.